NATC offer high-quality learning opportunities for individuals seeking to improve their knowledge and skills. We support our students enrolled in a wide range of courses and programs from top institutions in the Philippines and abroad. Also, we prepare students for their admission test, placement examinations, and maths competitions local and international. Our students may choose their preferred schedule, making it a convenient and flexible option for schoolers, busy professionals, and those with other responsibilities. Additionally, in our online tutoring services, we offer interactive resources and timely support to ensure students receive a high-quality learning experience. After-sales support is also one of our strengths. We make sure that our clients are satisfied with our services by giving regular feedback and attending to their queries and concerns as fast as we can. We are NATC. We are turning potentials into endless capabilities. NATC Nexus WX. It's the whole experience. One of the top online tutoring solutions providers in the Philippines. NATC provides innovative solutions to institutional gaps and quality development.